Hi student, in this video we are going to study about software testing strategies from 4th unit. What is software testing? It is a critical element of software quality assurance. It represented the ultimate review of specification, design and coding. There are 4 testing strategies. First one, unit testing. Then second one, integration testing. Third one, validation testing. Then fourth one, system testing. First one, unit testing. In unit testing, the individual components are tested independently. In unit testing, we have conduct various tests. First one, module interface. Then second one, local data structure. Third one, boundary condition. Fourth one, independent path. Fifth one, error handling path. Next one, integration testing. In integration testing, group of dependent components are tested together. There are 2 types of integration testing. First one, top-down integration. Then second one, bottom-up integration. Top-down integration, it is an incremental approach to construction of propagation structure. For example, depth first integration, then second one, breadth first integration. Next one, bottom up integration. It begins construction and testing with atomic model, that is components at the lowest level in the program structure. Recursion testing, it is required to test the defect that get propagated from one module to another when changes are made to existing program. Smoke testing, it is used for time critical project wherein the project need to be assessed on frequent basis. Next one, validation testing. It is a testing which is meant to validate the requirement as defined in the software requirement specification. It is focused some error. First one, system input and output. Second one, system function with information data. Third one, system interface with external parts. Fourth one, user interface. Fifth one, system behavior and performance. Acceptance test. It is used to ensure the software works correctly in the user work environment. There are 2 types of acceptance test. First one is alpha test. Second one, beta test. Fourth one, system testing. It is a series of tests conducted for fully the computer based system. There are 4 types. First one, recovery testing. Then second one, security testing. Third one, stress testing. Then fourth one, performance testing. Recovery testing, it is intended to check the system ability to recover from failure. Next one, security testing, it verifies that system protection mechanism prevent improper penetration. Third one, stress testing, it determines breakpoint of a system to establish maximum series level. Then fourth one, performance testing, it evaluates the runtime performance of the software, especially real-time software. Thank you.